What is up, YouTube? It is Stronger Sims here once again, and this is another unboxing video. This time it's two MetaQuest 3s virtual reality headsets, 128 gigabytes. I bought these for my girlfriend and I for Christmas, and I know Meta has done a really good job with virtual reality lately. I think they came out with the 2 last year, and then the 3, and then this is actually the 3S. So yeah, my girlfriend and I are looking to use these this year to watch TV shows and stuff. They look great, and I'm gonna unbox one of these for you guys. So hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get into it. So as you take a look at the back, you got inside the box, you got MetaQuest 3S, standard facial interface, MetaQuest 3 Touch, glasses spacer. So basically, like, you can wear your glasses as well as like watching TV shows while you have these on. So it comes with a USB power adapter, 2 wrist straps, and USB charging cable. And this is obviously this in another language, but rated T for teen because of the games. You know, they have games on here that are pretty cool. Yeah, this is really nice. And here's the side of it. MetaQuest 3S, and still sealed. And then this is the front. This is actually the Batman, I think, version. And yeah, comes with 2 controllers, obviously, and then there's the headset there. And then here's MetaQuest 3S on the side again. And then on the top of the box, you have MetaQuest 3S and 128 gigabytes. I was actually wanting to get the like 500 gigabyte, but to buy 2 of these, it was just too expensive to buy, because I think they were like $500 for the 4K. This actually goes in 1080p, not 4K. So it's a little bit less quality, but yeah, I got these on sale on meta.com for $250 each. They were normally like $300 a piece, but there was a sale that went on. So let's get into opening it. Okay, so apparently, here we go. I think we pull the tab here. I gotta try to get this one second, guys. I think we open this up like this. There we go. I like that they have the new pull tab like system where, like, you know it's sealed or not. So here we go. Let's open it up. I think you open it like, oh, I gotta go to the other side here, 1 second. So there we go. So both sides are pulled. And let's go unboxing. Let's put this to the side. So here we go. And there we go. So we have, let's see here. So we have the virtual reality headset. You have the 2 controllers. There we go here. These are the controllers. And there's another one. And then here's the headset itself. Really, really nice. These are supposed to look really good. I think Meta has one of the best like virtual reality headsets out there. Here's the cameras. The logo there. And then, 1 second. And I think this is the glasses strap, and then you have a charger right there. And we're looking to like actually get these hooked up to my girlfriend's laptop to actually like watch TV shows and stuff on here. I think that's it. But yeah, it looks really nice. I'll let you guys know, you know, what I think of it, you know, when we get to watching stuff on it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. This is a really cool gadget, I guess I like to call it. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and thank you guys so much for watching. And thank you guys.